Welcome to English Coaching with Rachael. Today we're going to learn about the past perfect tense. You'll learn what it is, when to use it, and how to use it in real life situations. The past perfect is used when we talk about two things in the past. One happened before the other. How do we form it? Had plus past participle. For example, she had left before the movie started. If you'd like to learn more about past participles, watch my video on it. Let's look at a visual. Imagine we are talking about two things that happened in the past. Before she arrived, he had eaten dinner. He had eaten dinner happened first, then she arrived. So the past perfect he had eaten dinner happened first. You can also switch the sentence around. He had eaten dinner before she arrived. The past perfect is like the past of the past, you could say. Use the past perfect to show the first of two past events, or to explain cause and effect. I was tired because I had worked all day. We use the past perfect in storytelling, regrets, or missed chances. For example, I missed the train because I'd forgotten to set the alarm. Oh no! Think of a moment when something went wrong. That's your cue to use the past perfect. Let's have a practice. Fill in the blanks. Use contractions if you can. Watch my video about past participles to learn more about contractions. How did you do? Okay, speaking practice time. Practice this conversation with a partner or repeat it out loud. Imagine you've just missed a flight. I was so upset when we got to the airport. Yeah, they'd already closed the gate. Now try your own situation. It could be a missed concert. You've lost your keys, forgot something. Time for a quiz. Let's see what you remember. Choose the correct past perfect form. Great work! Well done today. Use the past perfect when something happened before something else in the past. It's perfect for storytelling, talking about regrets, or explaining cause and effect. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.